I also hear what the commentators are saying. It just makes the experience much more nicer for the spectators, basically the audience. Of course, Tamil mein hai, I think Bengali is there, Marathi is there. Bihari, of course, the pitch level is very high and the commentators are very excited. कभी ऐसा किया नहीं है. It's very awkward to see yourself on the screen.
देखिए, भोजपुरी हमारी कमेंट्री जो है हमारे नेटवर्क पे सुनाई देती है, तो भोजपुरी कमेंट्री में महेंद्र सिंह धोनी के क्या चर्चे होते हैं कि माही भाई चापत रहें, बॉलर लोग कापत रहें, माही धुरंधर मचाते हैं बवंडर। आइए आपको सुनाते हैं।
अंतिम ओवर राशिद खान और महेंद्र सिंह धोनी। अरे बाप हो बाप, ए पुप्पा हाय के नवा बोनल गोलगप्पा।
ना 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 छक्के जाई धोनी के बल्ला के जब गेंदा भेटाई। अरे देखम जोन कहले रनी हा ई छोरन के टर्मिनल में गेंदा समा गई बा, ई समाहित करेलन और छक्का से टीम के सम्मान।
ऑब्वियसली एक नई चीज है, हरियाणवी हो गई या पंजाबी हो गई या फिर हमारी ये भोजपुरी कमेंट्री। आई एम श्योर आपको काफी क्लिप्स ऐसे आपने सोशल मीडिया पे देखे होंगे इस कमेंट्री के। आप सुनते कैसा लगता है? थोड़ा सा और दिल के करीब है ये?
जब भी हम मैचेस, मोस्टली लाइव मैचेस देखते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा रिप्लेस तो देते नहीं है, तो इंग्लिश या हिंदी में ही होता है, मोस्टली इंग्लिश में ही होता है, because that also helps us understand the game. You know, when I personally watch, I also hear what the commentators are saying, because most of the commentators are ex-players. You know, I may be playing 17 games in a year. They are part of maybe hundreds of games in a year. You know, whenever different countries are playing different occasions, so their exposure is great, and for them, you know, for us to understand what they are feeling about the game. Not everything may not be applicable. The reason being, you know, when you are in the dressing room, you know the strengths and weaknesses of your side. But it gives you a view as to, you know, what the outsiders feel, you know, what can be a strength. So it just opens a box, you know, in your mind saying, why don't we try this also? And then with your intelligence and data, you try to evaluate whether it will work with your team, the kind of resources you have, you know, with that, whether it will work or not. So I love hearing commentary. But regional commentary मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं सुनी है. You know, Bihari, of course, it's very, the pitch level is very high and the commentators are very excited, very involved. So it seems like
ये तो आपका इफेक्ट है, इसीलिए मैं
नहीं, पहले रेडियो कमेंट्री इस तरीके से होती थी. You know, so it's very interesting and often, as you said, कई बार लोग प्रेफर करते हैं अपने रीजनल लैंग्वेज. ऑफ कोर्स तमिल में है, आई थिंक बंगाली इज देयर, मराठी इज देयर. सो काफी बार लोग प्रेफर करते हैं कि हमारे जो लैंग्वेज है ना, हमारा जो रीजनल लैंग्वेज है, हमारा मदर टंग है, उसमें ये कैसा साउंड करता है. आई वुड लाइक टू सी दैट. एंड ऑल्सो इट्स एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ एक्स क्रिकेटर्स, you know, who may or may not be very good in Hindi or English commentary, or the competition is very tough. They can try their luck, you know, in the regional ones. And, you know, it just makes the experience much more nicer for the spectators, basically the audience.
Thank you so much, MS, for the MSD experience. I hope you enjoyed it.
It was fun.
It was great.
It's a like, kabhi aisa kiya nahi hai. It's very awkward to see yourself on the screen.
But it's also fun, going down memory lane.
It's fun. It's fun, you know. And as I said, last few years, 1 hai, 2 hai, 5 hai, 10 hai, I don't know. My franchisee will be like, you play till you want to play. Even if I'm on the chair, they'll be like, don't worry, you play. That's how they have been. So I want to enjoy cricket. As I said, last few years. So 1 year at a time. Then 8 months to decide, you know, whether you want to play the next year or not.
So definitely yes. And at least 7 years, Thala for a reason. Yeah, we'll go with that. Okay. Thanks, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, for joining us on the MSD Experience.